Tuk Tuk ride. We had a bit of a long train ride last night and arrived in Agra this morning. The train was surprisingly after 14 hours, or sorry, after 16 hours. The train was only about 15 or 20 minutes late, so which is unusual apparently for the trains here. So now we've hired a driver for the day in the Tuk Tuk. He's going to take us to the Baby Taj, Agra Fort, and some other sites around the area. And tomorrow morning we're going to see we're going to go to Taj Mahal, bright and early. So yeah, it's another day of travel, and it's another exciting time in India. These things.
And it appears that Agra is just as busy as Delhi and Amritsar.
Yeah, just as busy as Delhi and Amritsar. It's just crazy busy everywhere. There goes the ambulance.
It's the first place we've seen monkeys.
Yeah, so we've just been driving along and all of a sudden we see
monkey there. Monkey and a cow.
Sharing a meal?
Having a meal together on the road.
there
All
you go.
monkeys leaving now. They have a hand some problem.
Oh,
One hand.
oh, he's only one-handed.
One-handed. Oh. Left side hand, they have some problem.
Oh, right.
One more coming.
Oh, there's another one coming. They're all going to share. Oh,
Oh. You
yeah.
don't like to come here.
No.
Very small monkey. Very
Yeah.
small.
Just a little baby.
Yeah, very small.
Can I go out and take a picture?
Sure.
Are you going to go up?
But be careful, be careful. Be careful.
Okay. There's little ones over there too, Kath. The banana one. Oh, there's a little baby. Look at it. Oh, he's got that banana fast, eh? There's a little tiny one. Pardon me? Yeah.
There it is, right there.
Oh yeah, right there. There's the mama with the baby on her back.
Baby right now. I've died and gone to heaven.
They're just hanging on, eh?
Yeah.
It's like little twins down here, these guys. Aw, little Junior's teething.
Oh, you guys, they're so inquisitive.
Yeah. They're hungry.
Well, they're really just looking for food.
They just
but
want food, yeah.
their facial expression.
Yeah. Very cool.
It's just day by day.
There's a bunch more over here. Oops. No, it's okay, guys. It's okay. All right, we should go. Monkey time in Agra. Hey?
They're so cute.
Oh, yeah.
In the evening time or early morning,
Yes?
many monkeys here.
Really? Oh, takes some, two in his mouth.
Another coming.
Yeah. He likes the cookies.
Many people.
If you feed her, you can't feed them.
And many people give apple,
Apples, bananas.
bananas. Many people like this yellow one.
Oh yes, yes. Yellow, the snack. Yeah,
Depend on the people. What is the field?
yeah, yeah.
Oh, there's a baby. Right up on the top.
Very small monkey.
Yes.
Evening time you find very small monkeys.
Over here.
Yeah.
Really?
With mother.
Oh yes, yes. Babies with mothers.
Do they live in the old building?
Yeah. Always living here.
Oh, hello, you.
Hello, he's coming.
Oh yes.
First he is man.
He smells it.
Yeah. Doesn't like it.
Are we good or not?
Peanuts. He's getting the peanuts off the ground.
Hi, buddy. You're so smart.
Hello, he's coming here.
Oh yes.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Goodbye, Mr. Monkey.
Hi, Mr. Monkey. Thank you. Oh, the pigs. Oh, the kids are swimming.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what are the big...
Those are the big tubs. Is that laundry?
Yeah. How you washing laundry in your home?
A machine.
With a machine.
Yes.
But in India, not machine.
No machine.
India, big drum.
Yes.
He will put the water and put the chemical.
Yes.
And fire.
Ah.
Then he make hot water and put all the clothes.
Yes.
And after 1 hour, 30 minutes, he will take out. And after he washing in the red stone,
Yes. Oh, the red. Yeah.
he will put the
Oh, okay, yeah.
and washing. And after he will dry.
Dry over there.
Yeah. After
Ah.
dry, he will go back to home and iron.
Iron them all. Oh, I see. Ah,
Wow. That's a lot of work.
a lot of work.
The kids are swimming.
Yes. 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 People.
Oh, sweet place.
Oh. Look at that pig, the big guy.
I know. People are very happy. Part of the festival?
Looks like they were having so much fun.
Yeah, for evening and morning, most of the time, evening and morning. Because clay is the god, only the morning and evening.
Oh, the prayer of the gods?
Yeah, for evening and the morning.
Oh, not during the day.
Not in the day. Daytime only relax.
How long do the prayers take?
Not more than 30 minutes
Okay. Every day.
every day. Morning